Good morning and welcome to the 6th Annual Canadian Concrete Expo here at the International Center.
Brad,
Scott, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good, it's been a while.
What do we got going on here?
Scott, there's a whole lot of stuff happening with PIP. As you know, head-to-toe supplier for PP products. We're trying to showcase some of our new stuff that we just recently came out with. Our brand new line of V-Series earmuffs. As well as our partner brand JSP on the premium side of things, right? So everything from the head protection side of it. We just recently launched our new D3O glove. This is a Cut 6 Impact 3 glove. Put that on and I'll tell you a little bit more about it.
Wow, that's comfortable.
Right?
Yeah.
And you have a lot of mobility in the hand, right? So the secret pretty much ingredient to that glove is when you look at a lot of back of the hand protection gloves, they do it in blocks with rubber. And they're generally stitched on, right? So what happens is it resists a little bit of the mobility. That material is called D3O. D3O is different than rubber. They actually use it in things like football equipment, hockey equipment, cell phone cases. And the unique feature to this material is on impact, it actually hardens, right? And the other thing is too, we don't stitch it onto the glove, it's actually sonically welded to the glove.
Wow.
And this unique proprietary chevron pattern you see there, that gives you that mobility, right? So you can move your hand quite a bit, right?
Yeah.
So for a Cut 6 glove, you've got quite a bit of dexterity and movement in that glove, right?
Cool.
And obviously with Impact 3, it just means you've got more back of the hand coverage. So any application where guys are getting, back of the hand impacts, hazards, things like that, or even abrasion along something rough, great option to kind of go with.
For sure.
We came out with our new line, JSP half mask respiratory. I just noticed your reaction right there, the diameter size of the hole, right? A lot wider than our competition. The other thing is when you look at the filter itself, right? We have the seal and the diaphragm into the actual cartridge, not on the mask. Because what happens over time, as you can see, I've been taking this on and off.
Right.
The seal tends to go. So you're not replacing the mask every time. You're just replacing the cartridge, right? The other neat little feature is we have press to check on the back. Right? So yes, you still have to get fit tested for this, but what this allows you to do is before guys do start working, they can just quickly, as they have it on, squeeze the back, so they know they have a good suction happening right there, right? The other thing too is the air intake is actually coming from the back, so you're not breathing in the dirty air in front of you, you're taking in the clean air from the back, okay? The other thing too is this is a patent design from JSP on the actual valve, so it's not a straight flat wall, right? It's actually curved, so as you're exhaling, it's actually blowing down, not hitting a flat wall and coming back in.
Great.
And with that, it also prevents any anti-fogging in your safety glass. Cool. Well, it's good to see you.
You too.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. All right, guys, so that was Brad from PIP Dynamic. Got some gloves from them, some hearing protection, checking out some new stuff. Let's continue on and see who else is here.
Oh,
Hey.
Scott, nice to see you.
You too.
Yeah.
How are you?
Very good.
Good.
Welcome. You enjoying the show?
It's been good. You guys been busy?
Very busy. It's been great. We have a lot of end users coming by, and so there'll be some opportunities for you guys to focus on the industrial side. Big part of our business is customization, so we do embroidery, pad printing, vinyl, heat transfer, all done in-house. We turn it around within 7 to 10 business days, give you the ability to drop ship to your customers.
Nice.
And that's not the only part of our business. We stock, but we have lots of gloves in our offering. We're expanding, really big focus on the industrial side. Construction is a big component of our business, but also other various construction industry.
Nice.
Industrial industries. And so we got a nice lineup of new cut gloves coming, impact performance gloves, and a great team behind it. So we're growing in Ontario, and we're working with International Safety as a preferred vendor.
All right, so that was the booth, BBH Group. We got some exciting stuff coming from them. They could do all custom logos, so we'll be able to get stuff done right at the factory rather than having other delays shipping stuff out to our embroidery company. Let's continue on and see who else we see. Derek, how are you?
Scott, I'm good. Nice to see you.
Good, likewise.
So,
what do we got going on today?
We're trying to showcase all of our product lines to a lot of customers that aren't familiar with it. Plus, we've got new stuff. but fall protection is really the big one that we kind of focus in on.
Good.
So harnesses, sunscreen, insect repellent. Okay, so we've gone from crock block to renaming, repackaging the product under the Gale Sun.
Yep.
So here's kind of a good example of the new packaging. And on this side, we have new head protection. Okay, so we've got our Americana Winds and Peak style here. And we have the variety of wide brims, everything, type 1, type 2. But that's
that's great.
That's about the gist of it.
Amazing. So that was our time here checking it out at the Canadian Concrete Expo. We're gonna hit the road. There's a snowstorm coming in, so we want to beat that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.